Looking for the best grill carts to enhance your outdoor cooking? These top-rated carts offer convenience, durability, and plenty of storage for all your grilling essentials. Whether you're a barbecue pro or just getting started, the best grill carts make grilling easier and more enjoyable. Ready to upgrade your grilling setup? Click the link below to explore the best grill carts today. The Royal Gourmet PC 3404S Rolling Dining Table is a versatile prep station built for serious outdoor cooking. Its spacious 34x20 stainless steel tabletop offers a sleek, durable surface for food prep, while two lower shelves keep tools, seasonings, and supplies organized and close at hand. Designed for convenience, it features a removable side trash bag holder for easy cleanup and two directional wheels with a side handle for smooth mobility. Whether you're grilling on the patio or hosting in the garden, this cart brings function and style to your barbecue setup. The Royal Gourmet PC 3401B Dining Cart Table is a rock-solid multitasker for barbecue enthusiasts. Its generous 33.5 x 19.7 stainless steel tabletop supports up to 77 pounds, perfect for griddles, pizza ovens, or meal prep. Built on a sturdy steel frame with stabilizing feet, it stays put even on uneven patios. Dual storage shelves, 3 tool hooks, a towel bar, and a gas cylinder hook keep your cooking zone neat and efficient. With wheels and a handle for easy mobility, this sleek black cart seamlessly transitions from backyard barbecues to indoor kitchen duty or even garden potting. This grill table with storage cabinet is a powerhouse for any outdoor kitchen setup. With a 35.4 x 24 304 stainless steel top, it's food-safe, rust-resistant, and easy to clean, ideal for everything from prepping barbecue to supporting a pizza oven. The 104-gallon interior cabinet offers major storage, keeping utensils, propane tanks, or ingredients neatly out of sight. It rolls effortlessly on 4 universal wheels, and when it's time to lock it in place, you can swap in stationary feet. Whether it's a modular kitchen island, grill cart, or outdoor bar, this is your backyard MVP. The Outdoor Grill Table / Blackston Griddle Stand is a rugged, ultra-portable workhorse for your next outdoor cookout. Built to hold a whopping 440 pounds, it's rock solid thanks to a smart triangular support structure and locking stainless steel legs. The 31x17 top fits everything from 17 to 22 Blackston griddles to Ninja and Uni pizza ovens. It's a space saver too, folds up suitcase style for easy transport, and rolls effortlessly with 3-inch universal wheels. Rear ones lock for safety. Bonus, it comes with handy features like a gas canister shelf, tissue holder, and side storage box. A no-brainer upgrade for grillers who want mobility, stability, and versatility. The 3-shelf outdoor grill table is a rock-solid, versatile cooking station designed for serious outdoor chefs. With a 33.5 x 21.7 stainless steel tabletop, it's roomy enough to handle a pizza oven, Blackston griddle, or portable grill, while its 300 pounds total weight capacity means it can take the heat and the gear. The layout includes 3 shelves, 4 S-hooks, a side rack, and a propane tank mount, so every tool and ingredient has its place. Smart touches like weep holes on the middle shelf prevent water buildup, and the handle and wheels make it a breeze to maneuver. Whether you're grilling, prepping, or just showing off your setup, this cart delivers indoor convenience with outdoor durability.